Hi, I'm Jordan from Motor Match Stafford, and this is the Volkswagen Tiguan SE Navigation 4Motion, and it is a 2-litre diesel manual. Now, this car is part of our Motor Match approved vehicles, which means it comes with a 30-day warranty or up to 1,000 miles, whichever one does come first. So if you like the look at this car so far and you'd like to find out a little bit more about it, then you can give us a call on 01785 899 474. Now in this video today, I'm going to take you on a 360 walk around of both the interior and the exterior, and then we will get into some of the high-tech features. So starting on the exterior, you have got your halogen clear headlights as well as daytime running lights. This gives the car such a high-tech look to the exterior and perfectly goes with the Volkswagen name. Now down the sides you can see them chrome window surrounds as well as chrome roof rails and even rear privacy glass. Now also included on your exterior is your 18-inch alloy wheels in this silver finish. This just complements all the other exterior features and makes the car look that much more stunning. Moving into the vehicle now, and in the rear seats, you'll be able to see they are made out of a full black cloth, which adds such a stylish and comfortable look and feel to the interior. It also provides the utmost comfort for not only the driver but the passengers as well, and makes sure that everybody has an enjoyable experience. Also included on the front seats is aviation tables, so it's that much more easier to eat or do activities in the rear seats, so this is perfect for children. Now moving around to the rear of the vehicle, you can see how streamlined it really is, and I'm going to show you the vast amount of space available in the boot. So the boot door is super easy to open up and it reveals a spacious area, which will be ideal when going away on holiday, as you can fit all the family's luggage comfortably in this car. Now if you do need any extra room though, you can fold the rear seats forward to give you an extended boot, so it makes this car that much more versatile for storing or transporting large or longer items. Now, some more information about this car is that it's only had one previous owner, and you can see they have kept it in a fantastic condition. Moving into the interior, you have got that chrome trim running around your vents, as well as continuing on your dashboard and on your door panelling. And just like in the rear seats, you've got the full black cloth seating in a sport style, which gives the car an amazing look, as well as providing that much more comfort. Now that was the end of the 360 walk around of both the interior and the exterior. It is now time to move on to some of the high-tech features. So going back into your interior and on your driver's side, you'll be able to see that you've got all electric window controls, which are easily accessible on the driver's door. Another high-tech aspect included with this car is the multifunction steering wheel, where you can control different aspects of the vehicle all from one place, and all without even needing to take your hands off of the steering wheel. On your driver's display, you can see that the car is done at 54,605 miles, so there's plenty more miles for you to enjoy with this car. But moving on from the driver's side and into the centre console, you'll be able to see your main infotainment display, which is a touchscreen display. Now, this is super easy to go through all of the different settings, and one of them settings is your app Connect, which allows you to connect via Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, or even Mirror Link. Now if you don't want to do that, you can also just connect your phone via Bluetooth to make or receive calls, as well as listen to your own music, so it makes this car that much more high-tech. Going back onto the menu, and you can see you've got the overall car settings, which gives you your trip information and tells you how many miles you've got left for fuel. When the car is put into reverse, you can see front and rear parking sensors do come up. This gives you an idea if there's any objects in the front or the rear, and keeps the fantastic look of the exterior for that much more longer. Moving on from your main infotainment display now and onto your dual climate control. A great thing about dual climate control is that you can adjust one side of the car without affecting the other side, so it completely tailors it to you without affecting anybody else. Down here you've also got electronic parking brake, as well as drive select and even spacious armrest storage. So thank you for watching this video on the Volkswagen Tiguan SE Navigation 4Motion that is now available at Motor Match Stafford. Again, this is a Motor Match approved vehicle, which means it comes with a 30-day warranty or up to 1,000 miles, whichever one does come first. We also offer RAC extended warranties of up to 3 years, which is available with most of our cars, and you can also get flexible finance packages tailored specifically to you. So for a personalised quote or to book a test drive, you can contact us on 01785 899 474.